Do you want to know how to earn more money with email marketing? Stay tuned to find out. What is up? What is up? What the hell is up, my Dark Horse friends and family? Welcome back to another dose of email marketing learning. I'm your Dark Horse host, Tracy Brinkmann. But we want to get right into the meat of things. And today we're talking about Dan Kennedy's method of earning $1,000 per email. What? So many people are saying that email is dead. I would disagree with them. And according to Dan Kennedy, the easiest way to increase your income is to offer a premium version of all your products, right? And if you think about it, he's really dead on. He's spot on right there. He's like, what? That's magic. Yeah, magic. Just think about it for a minute, if you would. Do you have an ebook? Many of us have ebooks. Why don't you turn that ebook into a video course and charge multiple times the price? So if you're selling an ebook for $7, God help you, you're never going to get rich doing that. But if you turn that ebook into a video course and charge $77, well, you might not get rich, but you'll certainly get there a little faster. Now, you have a video course. What if you added, personal coaching, and you could triple the price? What? Why? It's right, simple ideas. If you already have products and a pretty responsive email list, then I can just about guarantee that you could drop an extra $1,000 into your bank account or more simply by sending an email out in the next 24 hours. Now, here's the cool thing. You don't even need to create the end product. You just have to create the idea. And even if you did this just, once a month to drop an extra $1,000 into your bank account, that's an extra $12,000 a year. That's life-changing for a lot of folks. Now, some of you are going, well, that's not much. Okay, then you can do it multiple times. But maybe you call the new version of your product the platinum version, the gold version, silver, the premium version of your original product. Add something like a personal one-on-one coaching to really maximize the value. Add a group coaching, right? So you got a video course. Hey, we're gonna start up a group coaching opportunity. We're gonna get together once a month, and that's gonna cost you an extra $197. Sell it to 10 folks. There you go. There's $12,000. Excuse me. It's $1,200. $1,197. Right out of the gate. No brainer. And all you're doing is you're getting on the phone and engaging with your audience. Let's see. Now, what if you don't have a product of your own? I can hear you now. Tracy, I don't have a product of my own yet. What do I do? No problem. Hold on. Got a couple ideas for you here as well. You can offer some personal coaching or a group coaching to everyone who buys a given affiliate product through you. Now, the key here is make sure you know that product pretty well. I would suggest you be using it. Why would you be an affiliate for a product you don't believe in, first off, preferably when you're using. And then you might meet for coaching after they finish each module of the course, right? As a group or individually. You could do different tiers. I know some product funnels have multiple tiers. So if someone just gets the front end, you could offer them that group coaching opportunity. And if they get, all the way up OTO2, OTO3, or wherever you can pick the right spot where it makes sense for you, you can even offer a one-on-one offer bump for them. There you go. Let's see. So here's another idea. Offer one-on-one coaching in your specialty, whatever that is. What is it you know best? What can you teach? Now, this is very similar. So you're not going to say, hey, I'm going to teach you even better ways to use the product, not to maximize it. You're going to say maybe it's the product adjacent. Maybe the affiliate product is in the personal development world, and you're a mindset coach. There you go. So now the two aren't the same, but they're certainly willing. They're able to cog together and feather together really perfectly. Here's a hint. You can always brush up on a topic, your topic, by taking courses in it yourself and applying what you learn. Right? So this is getting people to pay for your investment to level up your knowledge. Now, it's really, if you think about it, it's not unheard of for someone to take a deep dive into a high-end course. We're talking one of those quality courses not everyone can afford. Those, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $10,000 courses. Take a deep dive into that course and then apply each lesson. right? And be ready to teach the material along with your own information, right? It's like that, the saying you've heard me say any number of times that has really impacted my life. A quote from Bruce Lee in the Tao of Jeet Kune Do I read way back in the day. And it is, absorb what is useful and discard the rest. And the magic part of the course of that quote comes at the end. And apply what is uniquely you. So deep dive into a quality course, apply each lesson, and then apply what is uniquely you to that material. And then you could teach that material as your own in a mere few weeks. Heck, you probably teach it in a few days, depending on the content. Now, the key here is you don't want to be plagiarizing the copy of the course. You want to show your own results, which is why I say you take that deep dive and apply it, and then apply your learnings from it, right? Here, let me give you an advanced tip. We're just dropping gold today. Limit how many personal coaching slots that you offer. Yeah, maybe you'll only do 3 or 5, right? For example, if you do that, the value of each of those slots just skyrocketed because it's only available for the first 5 people. Now, you could do that, especially if we were talking about offering the group coaching for someone that buys a product of yours or a product through your affiliate link of someone else's. And then you offer that one-on-one coaching for someone that buys OTO3 or buys the entire funnel, but that's only available for the first 5 slots. Now, I think one of the magic pieces about that is if you're saying your personal one-on-one coaching is worth the package you're offering as the bonus, the affiliate bonus, is worth $5,000, and their entire funnel is worth $2,000. It almost becomes a no-brainer. I'm going to spend $2,000, get this product and all the OTOs, and get coaching from you. Psst, it's magic. I'm getting $7,000 for $2,000. It's almost like I'd be stupid not to take up on it, right? And because you've limited it to 5, you've given them that scarcity, and it's a real scarcity. Don't fake it, right? You see, by limiting how many you offer, it becomes easier to charge, say, $1,000 a person and coach 3 people rather than charging $500 and coaching as many that will sign up, right? You wind up doing less work for more money by putting a limit on your slots. And here's the really cool thing about it. Because you're only coaching a smaller number of people, you're able to give more to them and they get more out of it, right? They feel like that value that you're adding is worth far more than the measly $1,000 that they're charging them, right? And make your highest priced and most valuable offers available to buyers only as a perk for being in your inner circle of customers. Yeah, right. So don't put it out there for the entire world to know about that. Make it for your inner circle. Now, you can hint to that in your funnel, in your sales process. Hey, on the inside, we have special deals that no one else knows about, high-end, however you want to phrase it. You can hint to it, but the only way you find out what it is becoming part of the club. Does that make sense? Yeah, of course it does. All right, so what are the next steps? What you want to do is you want to look at your offerings, whether they're your personal products or products that you sell through an affiliate or considering selling through an affiliate, and what can you offer as an offer bump, right? What can you offer as a premium version to that? And if you're talking about your own products, again, let's scan through it real quick. You got an ebook you're maybe giving away. Maybe that's your freebie. We'll create a video course version of it that goes in just a little bit deeper, or it's the exact same thing, right? Now you can charge for that, right? Did you like that? You'll love this. Maybe you have a video course. Well, offer some group coaching. You like that? You're going to love this. And that way you're starting to build a community. Makes it even easier for you to tap into that community to learn what else they're struggling with, where you can help them. And when I say where you can help them, I don't mean you just giving them the advice and selling them the next product. Maybe it's you linking them up with someone else that can solve their problems for them. Okay, that's community building 101 right there. And then, of course, there's the one-on-one coaching opportunity. So you're going to take your ebook, turn it into a video. Video, turn it into group coaching. Group coaching, turn it into one-on-one coaching. Inside of all of those opportunities, you're going to learn about so many more opportunities to be able to solve problems for your community that I think making money is just going to become a whole lot easier. Now, for you affiliate folks out there, figure out what it is you can offer to those folks that are going to buy through your affiliate link. Maybe you're selling a product that you're using, right? You're an affiliate for a product that you're using. Well, then offer a class to teach them how to use it even better. Hey, yeah, I know you're going to just get started. I remember when I just got started. Here's the tips and tricks that will, flatten your learning curve. And if you're trying to do it like I'm using it, hey, you're going to be in the podcasting world or you're a personal coach. Here are a couple of tips and tricks that's not even mentioned by the original creator of the product, right? So now you're giving people extra value. Here's how you use that. Here's how you go drive the best value for the product you're considering buying. And here's a reason why to buy it from me, right? There you go. And with that, I'm going to leave you as I always do. Think successfully and take action. That was the wrong button, wasn't it? Thank you for listening to the Dark Horse Entrepreneur Podcast.
Thanks for tuning in.
Check us out at www.darkhorseschooling.com.
All right.
My name is Tracy Brinkmann.